Hey everybody, Benny here. We are building GoData, the AI data scientist, which can allow you to get insight from the data easily and immediately. In the past week, we built a toy from scratch, which is already functional and useful to us. And let's check it out. Alright, so the toy is a web app that is running on my laptop. And let's start the server and the front end. Alright, the app is running and it pops out the web page. It looks like it's a Google style question answering engine, and on it you can ask any questions to our data, and the backend is connected to the database on my laptop. So let's see how many. Let's start with a very basic one. How many viewers do I have on my YouTube? Alright, easy. And the engine is giving me the answer is 1135. And on the backend log, we can see that it's running a decent correct query on this table to count the number of viewers. And we can go to a more harder, more difficult one, which is which countries do most of my viewers come from? Please list the top 3 and the numbers. Alright, we see the query and here we see the answer. The top 3 countries are France, United Kingdom, and Canada with 119 viewers. And this is the case, I think it's already useful to some data scientists for very elementary data analysis jobs. And of course, obviously, there are more sophisticated and interesting features we can build in the future. And see you next week for more updated version of it.